when the sunlight hits your ballsack. It's like when the salmon Nutella hits your tummy sack. It's like when the your genital hits the love of your life genital. It's like when the first child of yours comes out of that. It's like sitting under a 500-year-old tree that gives you life force. It's like putting a fresh oyster alive in your mouth for the very first time. It's like having the most restful, regenerative night of sleep in your life, with the most vivid dreams. It's like when you say I love you to the first love of your life. Those are the things some guys know your enemy. Know your enemy. Is it the right chicken? Because that enemy is trying to take all those things away from you and away from me. Away from everybody you love and away from everybody I love. Because they don't give a fuck. 1 meal, 2 meals, 3 meal, 4 meal, 6 meal. They don't give a fuck. Millions of people. You think they care? Know your enemy. That's #1 rule. And we right now, we're doing that base science on the enemy's playground. Because we wanna be we wanna make that playground a little bit more natty, a little bit more nice play to be. Feeling me? You catching my drift over here? Anyway, know your enemy, because they're coming for everything. And I mean freaking everything. Even the raw chicken. Even the freaking sunshine on your balls.